Hey guys, we're out here about to fix the pilot house thing that we built on there. I don't even know what to call it, but the isinglass or vinyl, clear vinyl, is all tore up on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a plywood frame built. Well, maybe not plywood, but some sort of wood. I'm not decided yet on what kind, and gonna build a frame up there, and we're gonna use some plexiglass, or what is it called? What else is it? Polycarbonate. I don't know if that's the same thing or not. We're still learning.
Supposed to be stronger.
Supposed to be stronger and more flexible, but I don't know if I want it flexible.
And lighter.
And lighter though, so. All right, we'll figure it out, guys. Stay tuned. Tools. Here we go, guys. This is it. We went with Lexan because it's virtually unbreakable. It says it right there, actually. 10 years warranty. That's what's up. That's what we're doing, and it has UV protection. So we've got the edge going a little bit on this curve. We got that, but now we can't find the incline from this edge up to the middle here of the deck box where it levels out, and then it goes back down at an angle, and then it gets this curve like that. So we got the curve on there, but we don't have the other going. So she's trying to figure it out. I'm already taking a break here because I'm frustrated, so we'll get it going. So we finally got it in, but I'm telling you guys, we made like 100 million cuts. Look at all these correction cuts, like 100 of them, no lie. We can't get the angle on that thing. That wasn't gonna happen, and we went too high on this side. So, oh my god, this has turned into such a hard thing. And plus with the deck boxes, and I'll show you right now, look at all the sawdust, guys. Holy shit. With the deck boxes, we couldn't get it down in there. Look at that. So now it's already getting a bit late, so we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow, and we're gonna cut the windows out for it, and then we're going to do the framing for those windows so that they sit in there and don't wobble, and they just look nice going in there. Hopefully that will be good. And we're going to use 2 by 1 inch pieces of wood, which we got back here. Oh my god. This thing has been a nightmare. It wouldn't fit any which way. Then trying to get the angles, as you can see right there, that's poopy. So what we're probably gonna do is we're either gonna fill it in with some wood, or we're going to do or we're going to fiberglass it in. But this thing does not move. I can crank on it. It's not even bolted in. It's jammed in from the top there down, so it's in there. So that's gonna be way stronger for winds coming towards us, say hurricanes or whatever. But 100% the reason why is so that we could use plexiglass, or not plexiglass, Lexan polycarbonate sheets. See right there, boom, and it's virtually unbreakable. So, and it has UV protection in it and everything. So this is gonna be solid. These are sheets right here, 3 windows. And also the fact with a thing like that is that we're gonna be able to open these windows on hinges and so this whole piece is gonna be virtually these windows. And you'll see tomorrow, there's not gonna be much gaps around the edges, just a barely frame, and then that frame's gonna hold these. So all right, that was a whole day. It's looking nice out there, and Dawn, she's cooking, well, making some sandwiches down inside. So I'm sunburnt, that's for sure, and covered in sawdust, having a hard day. All right. All right, guys, so that's as far as we could get today. We actually have to cut the plexiglass 1 inch shorter. Dawn measured wrong several times. So we're gonna have to fix that, but we're gonna enjoy this sunset and cook some dinner and get back to it tomorrow. Breakfast time, and the sun is shining. It's nice outside, and we're about to get on this and start cutting the windows out. Oh, there we go. The good life, beach days. That's right.
Added this beam at the top, and we measured it for the 1 and 1.5 that are going to be coming down in the center, that are going to be the beams in between the windows. Okay, so now he is just cutting and measuring, or measuring and cutting the 32-inch pieces that are going to be going in between the windows.
The frame.
The frame.
Trying to keep everything square on a boat. Trying to keep everything square on a boat in the water while it's moving is very hard.
You cannot use a level.
You can't use levels or nothing, because those aren't going to work. Whew. All right.
Okay.
Is double checking my work here to make sure that I'm not crazy. There we go, and you're gonna need one more of these for the frame, because we're gonna have 3 windows right there.
Here it is now with the actual frames put in, with the 1 by 1.5s that are installed up into that as well. Now we're going to be getting the plexiglass or the lexan and putting that in there to see how that fits.
Alright, so now we're going to, I don't know if I showed you the measurements. I'll show you again anyways. So we're on our way to the Home Depot to pick up some sort of like cutting bit. So I'll show you guys when we get there. But it's going to be easier to cut this thing because we can't get into these certain angles. It's like a vibrating saw. Some spaghetti going on right now with a beautiful view. This is what went to go get yesterday. Just to cut through the wood. Hopefully it works. I mean, I've used these types of multi-tools before, like the vibrating saws and scrapers or whatever, but I'm thinking this will cut in and I'll be able to keep that line going real nice and good. So got that, and then picked up a few of these deck cleats. They're nylon deck cleats, so they'll last a good while on there, I think, to tie the windows up. So I'm going to drill a hole in the top, tie a knot through there, have a line come up, and cleat it to keep the windows shut. Hinges on the bottom, and then let the window fall forward. That way, so that if the wind's blowing, it keeps the windows on. They won't blow open. So here we go. Time to make some breakfast. Yeah, we got some bagels going, some coffee for Dawn, tea for me. About to go up and enjoy this nice sunny day.
Oh.
There she is. Check it out. So I've got the frame, which is gonna hold the windows in, like inside, while they're shut. You know, give it a nice lip. And then what I'm doing here is I've got this 1/2 inch lip right there. A 1/2 inch lip, so we're gonna do a 1/2 inch here too. So this one's got to go up higher than the other windows because of the propane lockers right here, and it is higher than the deck box lids. So if you guys are wondering what these two holes are, I put I don't know what it is, maybe a D-ring or something through there. I don't know what it is, a U-boat, I think is what it's called, to hoist this up with using the halyard line up there from the water. So that's what I did. All right, we're gonna keep measuring. Cross. These lines. Oh, come on. Here we are. Got it out. Just wiggling it a little bit. Boom. Second window. Nailed it. So what I've used is these like cheap wood screws to hold it together. So I'm taking it out now. I gotta show you. I've used these. So throw that in there. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna use my drill bit, which I had to get a special one, kinda. It's like a really strong one for to be able to get through the aluminum on the other side, the angled aluminum. Come on now. Having a hard time. I'm not even pressing hard, just gripping on this wood. And now it's on the aluminum. I can feel it gripping in there. There, see, it's sticking in the aluminum there. It's a real pain. It's having such a hard time. That's the aluminum part. Not like being in the aluminum. It gets stuck in there. Oh, let me pull it out and show you. See all the things were building up in there. Now I gotta, there. See, that's the aluminum part that really hurts on it. Alright. Got 2.5 inch hex bolts, and then I'm gonna use all stainless steel. I've got a washer for the outside. I'm gonna pound that in through there with this little hammer. Bam. Then I'm gonna use another washer and a lock washer and a nylon locking nut. her going. Just finishing up painting this thing. This is our second coat. The wood soaked it up. I'm not sure why on the first go around, but I suspect that it's because this is oil based and the wood was dried a little bit, so it's looking pretty good. It's looking like it was a part of the boat. So there we go. There it is, guys. Looks good. Almost as good as that beautiful view. Yep, that's nice. Alright, that's it. Hit that like, subscribe, and keep watching my videos. It helps me out. So I like taking the videos and putting them together. It's something I enjoy, so go ahead and smash it.